Hey, what's up everybody? So my buddy sent me this video of this guy that's making Diablo 2 in first person using Unreal Engine, and on this video he talks about he's not using AI.
Any of the assets, none of the assets AI, none of the code is AI. What I've come up with so far, created a bunch of enemies. As I said, none of this is AI. This is all created in blueprints.
However, I went to this video and he says no AI in the title, and that was on February 19th, and then he made a video on February 23rd that he's showcasing around rogue encampment and stuff, and he says in the description AI was used to generate the character messages for Kane, Charcy, War, Vakar, and Geed. You can also see right here at the end of the trailer, look at their logo. Look at the AI slop, the Stone of Jordan. You look right here on the bottom left, this is SOJ, Stone of Jordan, and then if you look at this video, you know how he says he doesn't use AI and stuff? He's got a whole video right here. He's prompting the motherfucker to make a still plate. And that's the same project. Dude, I can't believe this shit, man. So that made me look into this guy's channel a little bit more. Here's where the magic happens. If you go to his channel right here, this Stone of Jordan description, it's some NFT RPG website. Stone of Jordan, this game has been in development for almost over a year. But this video right here, the Stone of Jordan first person dungeon preview, this is the same exact thing that you're previewing. Video, it's the same exact level right here. What the fuck, dude?
Oh my god, it's done it, hasn't it? It's amazing.
Bro.